ama sa in clear tu lengai thatu zong zong te in zawa in che bai ka bu veka cheu voin hi December ni sari sang ni samni pali in rin ni ania nimin December ni ruk sang ni le samni pali zirtop ni akhanin Mizoram Sarkar in Central Sarkar ta in choi mona Dawng ti thu hi kan muwa kan muthaya chu voin ni a hianin kan ron thar thole do na ni a engpo chu ni se athu om dan ang hianin kan share mai ange dated Aizol the 6th December 2024 Nimin Khan Ministry of Consumer Affairs Food and Public Distribution Government of India bot sayin New Delhi ana Chakra program tlang zana hun manania he huna hian Mizoram Sarkar chu himzok le manman zoka bu fai pur kwal konga mala thate choi moina commendation for successful implementation of PDS supply chain optimization lanani Khovel Trang Chozela mi puite mamo thiana kong pui point ma son Chozela chu wangin himzok le manman zoka mi puite hena bu fai phurthen hi Central Sarkar chu ngai pai mo le a hemiatan hian Anna Chakra road optimization tools software chu Department of Food and Public Distribution Government of India le World Food Program WFP te thoho na in siam alonita a road optimization hi India rama state somthumten an mangtan to a chung jinga chun Mizoram po atel ve ani Anna Chakra hian kumtin India ram puma bu fai purman asen southin chu cheng webel chezani somnga vela titlan yam thin to tura base ani Anna Chakra tlang zana program a hian Mizoram chu India rama road optimization chungchanga mala thaberle tichak ber pol kan ni thu soilan ania he choi moina hi Mizoram Sarkar ai o in pu Alexander V chong thu additional residential commissioner New Delhi Honorable Minister of Food and Public Distribution pu Pralat Joshi ne na chang adongani Bungthar mi pui Sarkarin hun reilote Sarkar na achel chunga hetiang choi moina adong tamai hi ZPM party chuan lomom atia Food Civil Supply and Consumer Affairs Department changtu Minister Pubil Chanjawale atho puite zong chunga ZPM party chuan thinlung takin lom thu asoya kanram le mi puite tana thanem ngai taka thokchun zom zel turin du sakna ahlanani issued by Median Publicity Department ZPM General Headquarters ole khati zong kha athu kan share thei chu ani tamaya Anna Chakra tlangzar program a hian Mizoram chu India rama road optimization chungchanga mala thaberle ti chakber pol kan ni thu kha soilan ania hemi chungchanga hianin achangtu minister po fak a hlo hle maya fak po phu le in ka ria Mizoram history kan she tamlowa amaro chu kan riat thei tong china chuan in ti ang choi moina dong ka riat ve chunani wangin avoin ni achuanin pubi chanjo hi fakom tak zet zetatina tho puite po an fakom tak zet zetani ti kha ken han soi belle sham duani ye
Mizoram Food Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Department chuan bo fai phurna kalkong siam remle akai hnuya choi moina commendation for successful implementation of PDS supply chain optimization adong Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Government of India, Nimin Ninga Khan Anna Chakra Platform, Public Distribution System, PDS Supply Chain, Ti Changtunna, Himzogle, Manmanzokabu, Fai Purkwal Tentor Platform, Road Optimization Tool, so Atlangzara, Road Optimization, Hi India Rama State, Som Tumten and Mangchan Toa, Heng State Zinga Hian, Mizoram Po Atel Toa, Mizoram Sarkar Chuan, Bo Fai Purnakal Kong, Siam Remle Akai Noya Choi Moina, Commendation for Successful Implementation of PDS Supply Chain Optimization, Hi Adonga, Mizoram Sarkar Ayu in Po Alexander V Chong Thu, Additional Residential Commissioner, New Delhi Chuan, Minister of Food and Public Distribution, Po Pralhat Joshin Hena Tagina Dongani, Hemirwal Han Scan Portal, Subsidy Claim Application for NFSA Po Tlangzar Ngal Anibok.
Sarkar lai puyen Mizoram Sarkar Noya Supply Department ne na bu fai phur na kalkong siam rem tha choi moina commendation for successful implementation of PDS supply chain optimization ahlan Sarkar lai puyen Ministry of Consumer Affairs Food and Public Distribution chuan nimin kha New Delhi a retailer kal tlanga mipui hne na bu fai semna public distribution system ti changtluna himle mantlom zo ka bu fai phur kwal theina tur platform route optimization tool anna Chakra ti avwa atlang zara he in khoma hian Mizoram chu India a route optimization chungchanga mala thaberle ti chakber pol ani thu soilan ni in Mizoram sarkar chu bu fai phurna kalkong siam rem thale hemi kai hnoi choi moina commendation for successful implementation of PDS supply chain optimization ahlanani he choi moina hi Mizoram sarkar IO in New Delhi Mizoram House additional residential commissioner pu Alexander V Chongthu in Union Food and Public Distribution Minister pu Pralhad Joshi ne na tangin adongani he in khoma hian Union Food and Public Distribution Minister pu Pralhad Joshi chuan retailer kal tlanga mipui hne na bu fai semna public distribution system ti changtuna himle mantlom zo ka bu fai phur kwal theina tur platform route optimization tool anna Chakra hi Department of Food and Public Distribution le World Food Program WFP te tho ho na asiam ani thu asoya anna Chakra hian kumtin rampu mabu fai phur man sen so chu chengwei bel se zani somnga vela titlanhiam thin to tura be se ani hemirwal hian subsidy claim application for NFSA portal potlang zar ngal ani bok route optimization hi state som thuminan mangtran to a heng state zinga hian Mizoram po atelani